Do you want to make profits like this, and this? These are real TikTok monetization payouts, and you could be next. In today's digital world, people are earning every day just by posting viral videos. This course teaches you exactly how to create a legit TikTok monetization account, source high-performing videos, follow the do's and don'ts, and boost your RPM for maximum earnings. Don't just scroll, start earning. Join me today and learn how to make your videos pay you back.
Hello guys, and welcome to the starting of this tutorial. So the absolute first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and turn off your location if it's already turned on. So then you go to your app freezer or app hibernator, or if you have not installed the TikTok or the TikTok Lite app, do not install it yet because we're going to be using web for this, and we don't want it to redirect us to the app when we are using the web, because it usually happens. So then you go to your VPN next. I'm using this VPN for this particular video. It's a free VPN, but it usually works. It actually changes your location. So you go ahead, you select United Kingdom as your location, then you click start. If you're using a free VPN like I am, you have to wait for an ad or two to load. Then when it's finished loading, click on the exit button. Then you go ahead and you head on to Chrome. So the first thing that we need to do in Chrome is to go and clear our TikTok history, cookies, whatever, so that like it looks like we are just heading to TikTok for the first time. So your past cookies, your past logins, everything else that you have done, maybe from a different IP address using your normal location, will be cleared. So you can just log into TikTok afresh. It's equivalent to clearing your app data when you're using the TikTok app. So you go to site settings, all sites, then this search bar up here, you search for TikTok. Yeah, and this is it. It has two different caches, so you clear the two of them, delete and reset, delete and reset. Then you head on back to the browser and you search for your location to ascertain that your VPN is working. So click on your location and you see here is showing city of Westminster, London, to show that the VPN is actually working. If it's another location that is showing here, maybe your location or somewhere close to where you are, know that the VPN is not working, then you go back and you try to get another VPN or a valid VPN. Then you head on to the TikTok website, make sure you allow the cookies and everything. Then I don't know, maybe try to start a video or two. So okay, you started this one, then you head on to the login page or the sign up page. So you just wait for some time and you see the login button. So when you go ahead to log in, you look at the bottom and you see a sign up. Then make sure you are logging in or you're signing up with your email or phone. Do not use your Google account, and put in mind that I already created a specific or a particular email, a new email for this particular video. So if you have not done that, go ahead and create a new email address, the one I have not used for any other TikTok account, just a brand new email address. So you can put your brand name there or your channel name there to like just mark it as your own or yours. So I've created a new email. I'm going to use it to log in now. So you have to complete this captcha. So when you are done with that, it automatically takes you to where you create your password. So you put in your password. Make sure it's a password that you remember, because I don't know how people forget their password. So yeah, put in a easy password, not a like easy generally, but easy for you to understand and for you to remember. So when you have done with the password, you are going to be expecting a 6-digit code from your email. So I'm going to my email app now to actually get the code. So you go to your Google account, then you refresh once or twice, and yeah, here's the code. So you go ahead, click on the email, and go and copy out the code. All right, then you paste it. and click on enter. So yeah, it takes you to a username page. You can actually skip this step if you do not have the username for your account already, or if you are still thinking of a username. But for me, I already have a username, so I'll just go ahead and fill it up. Then this part is very tricky because it usually gives you like invalid, so maybe the username is already in use. So you just have to click the options below that are closest to your username. Then you have entered your account, successfully logged in. So this is just the first video showing you how to create the account. In the next videos, I'm going to be showing you what to do and what not to do, how to create viral videos, how to get your videos and whatnot. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow for the next video. Thank you very much.